Go.
Hi guys, it's Natalie's World. As you can see, I have my baby brother Anthony here. So what we're going to do, he wanted to make slime because we're both big fans of slime. So as you can see, we have Elmer's glue gel, which is blue, which is my brother's favorite color. Then we have this red glitter. So as you can see, we're going to take this, we're going to pour the whole entire thing in. Okay. This looks so cool. It looks like toothpaste sort of.
And I'm going to pour this.
Wait, not yet.
Well, after you pour that, I'm going to pour this.
And then the rest that's left, look at that. Look at that.
I'll just squeeze.
Oh, and guys, if you watch King Kennedy, I need to tell you a secret. That King Kennedy is my cousin. So, if you're surprised that I told you that, comment down below. And tell King Kennedy I said hi. If we get like 100 subscribers, then we'll do super cool videos. Like super cool. We'll go like to different places, and then we'll do YouTube videos about those different places. Like Sesame Place, Disney World, camping, Puerto Rico, and all that stuff.
Okay, now my turn.
Now, Anthony is going to be pouring in the glitter.
Oh. It looks like a name.
It looks like glittery blood, sort of.
Yeah.
You need help? Look, let me help you. So hard, guys.
Yeah, it's like every single thing is just like a name. A crazy name. Everything's like a name. It's like everything's like a name. And I'm going to make it.
Okay. I'll help you mix it too.
Is it hard?
Yes. To pour in the glue? Yes.
Well, I'm going to mix it.
Okay, we're done.
Yeah.
Anthony is going to mix it. Okay, let me help.
No, I can't do it all by myself.
So, I'm going to show you guys the glue. Anthony has a little trouble mixing it. It's turning out glittery, but it looks like we're using clear glue. Okay, guys, this is the glue so far. This is how it looks. It looks purple, sort of, but it's not purple. We're done with the glitter, Anthony, so you could just put that to the side. We are going to take our spoon out. Okay, we're just going to do this. Okay,
Yeah.
now we're going to take this and put it on the side. We are going to be using our Elmer's magical
I'm
liquid.
gonna pour.
You put 1/4 of that in.
I will pour it.
You'll pour it in while I mix it.
Okay. Okay, now that's it. No more. No more. No
We're
more.
not up to 1/4 yet. Okay. Take it and pour it in. Be careful. Okay, we're gonna mix that in. Since it's a little bit of slime, we just need 1. And if it's not if it doesn't look that good, then we could put a little more, but it's not gonna be 1/4.
Yeah, let's put a little.
No, because we haven't mixed it very good yet. And make sure to please like our video. Okay, we're mixing and mixing. Okay, now we're gonna take it and we're gonna just do it.
Oh, this is just so disgusting.
It looks disgusting.
Yeah, like
It looks so gross.
and it looks so slimy.
Yeah, like look how slimy this is. It looks like we failed, but we actually didn't, because this was like... So that's the end of our slime. Please subscribe to our videos and comment down below. Make sure to hit the like button. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys!